like that, 110 brick wall. And then inside there's a mastic there. The thickness of that mastic is 20. I just want you to see 20. So we're going to extend the thickness there, which is 20. And then we have a 220 brick wall inside, which is from here to here. Let's say 220 brick wall. This is what we see this side. We have a 210 20 mastic and then 220, just like that. But this is what we are given. From there to there, we are given 9440, and then from there to there, we are given 6440. We good?
Yes.
And then what do you do? I said you are given a backfilling of 20, 200, and you are given what, 200 on the other side. What do? You are going to say, okay, fine. I want to show you on the plan view. On the plan view, it's gonna go like that. Let's say we have something like this. So basically, you are from here to here. You are given 200, and the other side you are given 200. You get it? So now the first question said find the dimensions what of the hole. You said I need to know from this point to this point. So you just said I have from this point to this point. I just have to extend the 200 for me to get the total length. Extend the 200 on both sides. You get it? And then what was the answer when you punch? What is the answer when you punch? Should I punch it for myself? I have new people.
1,840.
I have new people here. I have wait. I have okay. Uspe. Okay, fine. There's no new member yet. About joining. Okay. You got 500 or what? You got what?
9,840.
So on the width also it's gonna be what? Width. It's gonna be what? 6440 plus 2 of what? 200, which is gonna be what?
6,840.
6,000.
840.
Good. And you know that you need to calculate the perimeter. The perimeter. External perimeter or perimeter of the hole. Yes.
So, can I ask,
yes,
which basement are we doing?
No. This is my basement. I want to explain some of the things that could ask. So we're gonna go back to yesterday's basement and do the taking off because we didn't measure. Remember, we just calculated.
Yes, sir.
Good. So, okay, fine. The perimeter, you know how to find the perimeter. I'm gonna leave that one. So we're gonna deal with the center lines that Kululego ask, but I'm gonna do every center line for these 3 items, for these 4 items. Number 1, let's calculate what the center line of the thickening, center line of the concrete thickening of, okay, let's say of what 1440. We know that the 1440 is the concrete thickening. You identify the external dimensions of that particular part that you are calculating. So now our concrete thickening starts from here, ne? It goes until here. So that means we already know. That means we're going to say, okay, fine. Our center line is going to be what? 2 of what? 9840 plus 2 of what? 6840 minus 4 corners by what is the thickness? Okay, this one, we know that it's ending here inside. From here to here, it's going to be what? 1440. So now, you are going to say, I have 4 corners of that, 4 of that. So you're going to say minus what? 4 of 1440, and then you get the answer. You don't have to give me the answer because it's an example. Number 2, we're going to calculate what? The center line of what? Of the 110. The 110, we can see that 110 started from here. We're going to check the external dimensions from here to the other side of the 110. This is the original one, which is 9440, and then the pi times what? 6440. We're going to say 2 times what? 9440 plus 2 times what? 6440 minus 4 by the thickness that is given, which is 110. Yes, Togozo.
So, sir, when the one calculates the center line of the 110 wall, we use the dimensions of the given, or the dimensions that are given.
Not necessarily that is given. If it's not given, you will have to calculate. The aim here is to find the external dimensions of that part. Our 110 start from here. We already know the measurement that start from here to the other side of the 110, isn't it?
Yes.
But when it comes to concrete thinking, we didn't know. But we realized that it starts from here to the other side. Yes. That means we have, and you in your mind will be like, no man, this it goes with the hole, and we have the length and the width of the hole. You get my point?
Okay.
When we go to for number 3, we're going to what? A center line of what? Of the 20 mastic. Center line, okay, of the what? Of the 20 mastic. This is 20. Our 20 start from here. Okay, start from here to the other side of the 20. So what? The question is, the original, you have the length here, which is this, and the length, 2 length externally. That is going to help you to achieve that part. On this one, you have 200 and you have 110. But we have the other one that starts from here, which is, so it's up to you. Both things can work. First of all, you have to find the length, external length of that 20 mastic, whereby you're going to say, okay, fine, I'm going to start with this method. I'm going to show you 2 methods here. The other one, it's external dimensions of what? 9840, and the other one is 9440. Now, in this measurement, you choose this one. This one starts from here to the other side, but your aim is to reach that part. How many items are you going to subtract there so for you to get there?
2.
Which is going to be 2 of what? Of 200 minus 2 of what? 110. And this side, you're going to say, let's say you are using a 9940 from here to here. How many items?
1.
So you're going to say minus 110. So that depends. Which one do you want to use? So let's see. What is the answer here?
Why do we, on the other side, why do we minus only 110? Why don't we say 2 times 110?
Yes, sorry. Okay, 2 of 110 on both sides. Thank you for that.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
So this is the center line of
No. We are finding the length first. Remember, we have to calculate the perimeter of that 20. This 20 here, this is the 20.
Oh, okay.
We need to, you see that look, it has a ring also. It has a thickness going like that.
Yeah.
We calculate the center line on every item that has a thickness. With this 110, it has a thickness. This 20 has a thickness. And this 220 has a thickness. You get it?
Okay.
Good. And also the back filling, if they want you to calculate the back filling, it has a thickness also. From here to here is 200. So, okay, fine. What is the answer?
9,220.
9,220. And then what about this side? It's confirmed?
9,220.
So what is the width? The width is gonna use the, okay, it's the same thing of 6440 minus 2 of 110. What is the answer? It's gonna be 6220.
6,000.
So even this other side, you're gonna use the same method, but this side you're gonna use minus this 2. And then now that's why you're gonna calculate the center line, whereby you're going to say the center line is gonna be what? It's gonna be 2 of what? Of 9220 plus 2 of what? 6220 minus 4 by what? What is the thickness? It's 20. And then you get this answer there. You get it?
Yes.
And then you are going to talk about the 21. How many items are you going to subtract for you to obtain the external dimensions of the 20? You need to come here. From here to here to here. And then how many items?
3.
Good. But if you are, that happens when you're using 9840, ne? But when you're using 9440, that means you're starting from here to here. You're going to minus 110 and 20 only. You get it? You get the length first and the width first. That's where you're going to take these two to calculate what the center line, because you'll be having the values. You get it?
Yes.
Thank you very much. So that's how you calculate the center line either way. So now